Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the numeric input available. First, locate the embedded numpad markings on your keyboard. They often share keys with letters and are colored differently. Once found, enable numlock with FN plus numlock or the dedicated key so numeric mode activates. If your laptop lacks an embedded pad, connect a USB or Bluetooth numeric keypad now. This step matters because without an active numeric input device, you cannot type numbers reliably. Once done, move to mapping and practice. Now map and verify behavior so typing is predictable. On Windows, adjust keyboard repeat rate and check regional layout in settings. Make sure numlock persists. On Mac, enable mouse keys only if you must use numbers for cursor control, but prefer an external keypad. Practice pressing 0, 9 and plus */ directly and use Alt codes for symbols when required. For example, hold Alt and type digits on numpad. Practicing builds speed and reveals any mismapped keys you must fix, but finish by committing to the reliable method. Keep numlock enabled during numeric work and confirm via an LED or on-screen indicator. For sustained entry, use an external USB/Bluetooth numeric keypad and set keyboard repeat and delay to comfortable values. Consider a remapping utility if keys conflict with shortcuts. If numbers fail, update keyboard drivers, toggle FN lock, and reboot. If that does not fix it, rebind problematic keys in OS keyboard settings. This ensures you can enter numbers consistently and quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.